Namaskar friends. Today we will going to learn name of animals. Elephant. Elephant. Elephant means hathi. Porcupine. Porcupine. Porcupine means shahi. Jackal. Jackal. Jackal means siar. Hound. Hound. Hound means शिकारी कुत्ता. Leopard. Leopard. Leopard means तेंदुआ. Hog. Hog means suar. Sow. Sow means sukri. Horse. Horse means घोड़ा. Hare. Hare means घोड़ी. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Kangaroo means kangaroo. Crocodile. Crocodile. Crocodile means घड़ियाल. Gorilla. Gorilla. Gorilla means gorilla. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus means दरियाई घोड़ा. Horse. Seahorse. Seahorse means समुद्री घोड़ा. Buffalo. Buffalo means भैंस. Bullock. Bullock means बैल. Giraffe. Giraffe means giraffe. Zebra. Zebra means गोरखर. Baboon. Baboon means लंगूर. Sheep. Sheep means भेड़ा. Fox. Fox means लोमड़ी. Vixen. Vixen means सियारिन. Yak. Yak means चमरीगो. Cow. Cow means गाय. Wolf. Wolf means भेड़िया. Lion. Lion means शेर. Lioness. Lioness means सिंघनी. Mouse. Mouse means छोटा चूहा. Rat. Rat means चूहा. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros means genda. Monkey. Monkey means बंदर.